Welcome, and then today we are going to unbox this package of good stuffs. Thank you, Ate Joyce, for sending this and for your kindness. So let's just make this quick. Oh, so much of goodies for our health. So, great is this paper. Wow. The package list. And then we have core minerals. There are lots and lots of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and there are also Biomega, and the Vita antioxidants. 2, 3, 4, so much. I think I will just read the package list. There are 7 core minerals, 7 Vita antioxidants, because they will be combined. These are the cell essentials. You both take them. And there are 3 probiotics, 3 biotics, and 3 vitamin D, 4 mind-body balance, to balance our bodies, 3 magnical, that's calcium, 6 biomega, 4 copper prime, 6 energy, 3 nutri-meal. I will show you the nutri-meal. This is for making shakes, smoothies, children's food, and drinks. So we can mix this in those children's food, so that they could also be able to use and drink minerals. It's good for them. So I have the nutri-meal. I have 3 of them. 3. The flavor is Fiber G, mixed for fiber, and 3 also I have Dutch chocolate. And the children would love this, I know. I have 3 of them, so for my children it's very good. Whoa. Like 3. And the Energy Plus. This is good for the cold season.
Si tu negocio no genera menos 100 nuevos clientes al mes,
Wait.
10 segundos de atención porque no tengo nada que vender.
Probiotics, this is what it looks like. Body and mind. Lots. So I could also sell them while using them. 3 of the Fiber G active, and that's it. That's a lot. Look. Thanks, Usana.